it's me, Reg. Welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna unbox this this Dyson hair dryer, and I got it from this Instagram account. My tita encouraged me to buy this because they had a promo. I think it's a Mother's Day promo, which is like buy one take one. It's not actually buy one take one, but it's kind of like that. The original price was 25,000, I guess, and we only got it for 17,500. So thanks to my tita Emma for introducing me to Dyson. Yes. So let's unbox this Dyson. So if you're curious, let me check the currency. 17,500 is $345. So let's check it out. And heavy. We ordered it 3 days ago and we got it yesterday. So fast. Oh, I think I need the scissors. Oh, see, it's Tita's name written here. There. We got ours at this color. It's red and silver. As Dyson said, it's fast drying, no extreme heat, engineered for different hair types. My hair was rebonded before, but now I am doing the curly curl method. I've been doing it for a month now, and yeah, I braid this. As you can see here, it's wavy, especially when I scrunch my hair after taking a bath. Oh, my diffuser! This is very curly hair. I know it's gonna be enough, but they said I should do this in portions. Too many boxes. So beautiful. Oh, it's so light. For 6 to 20, right? It has a plastic cover on it. I don't really know this parts, but I'm gonna take it all off. This is the mat. I think there's one more missing. Has the bigger nozzle. So let me check the manual. What's inside? It's so luxurious. Too many plastics, too many boxes. Hello and welcome to your new hairdryer. Visit Dyson Supersonic Hairdryer Owners page and activate your warranty. Oh, this is a warranty card. So I'm gonna do it later. So this is their manual and let's read it. This one is a soothing nozzle. I think this is what you put when you just want to blow dry your hair. This is a styling concentrator. This is for just styling for curly hair and gentle air attachment. Oh, this one is gentle air attachment. Smoothing nozzle, styling nozzle, gentle air attachment. This is a non-slip mat. Whenever you're doing it in the table, this is like your mat to keep the heat off the table. That one here is the temperature control, airflow control, power on, cold shot. This is the air inlet and it's removable. Oh, it's like a filter. Magnetic styling attachment. So basically all of this is magnetic. How easy is that? Ooh! Just one click. How do you remove it? Oh, it's so hard. So strong. I'm gonna plug it in. Power on. Oh! The wind is so strong in this, look. And it doesn't sound like it's all over the place. It's a balancing something in this. When you do something like that, it's really like balance everything. Lower the heat and lower the pressure. I'm gonna show you what my hair looks like on a lower pressure. I'm gonna bring it up and up. Oh! Let's try this. Turn it on. Low pressure. I think I'm gonna convert it. It said full. Set it. Press the cold button. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! You can see it's so effective. Look at the waves of that one. It was like this before and now it turned into this. I'm gonna give you guys an update after I take a bath with my wet hair and dry it to make these form of curls.
Hello, everybody!
Explain that your hair is still wet.
I just took a bath and I have to wash my hair.
She has this pretty curly hair. So we will try this diffuser. This is the on and off. Cold. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna set it to the lowest heat and pressure. Come here, baby. Is it hot? Wow, it's not hot. I think it's dry now, so I'm gonna press the cold button to set the curls. Do you feel it when cold? And top lamp.
So dry the phone. No wetness.
Turn around for the camera to see. So what can you say about the Dyson hair blow dryer?
I'm a husband and sorry, this product is a big thingy. Bye.
So to start off, I'm gonna use this gel on my dripping wet hair and apply this amount. With what they call the praying motion, I'm gonna spread it all over and scrunch it.
Be like this. I'm gonna portion my hair a lot because my hair is kind of thick, and this lower part is still rebonded. This part is the natural curls, so I'll just fold this one and then just push this one up so you can see the natural state of this, while this lower part will be so curly. Stand it on and set to lowest pressure, and then let's try number 2.
Jack it up.
Natural curls are coming out. I'm starting to love it. This is the last part. So yeah, this is my hair. To make a final conclusion about this product, it didn't make my hair dry fast, maybe because I have thick hair and I use this diffuser. I usually see bigger diffuser, but of course Dyson makes your hair shiny and less damage. So I'm gonna try to make a new video with a blow dried hair. So for now, this is what my curls look like. This is the natural curls. I did folding in my rebonded hair and it turned out like that. This is the first time I use it. I think I'm gonna do better next time. Thanks for watching. I hope you like and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. So this is what our hair turned out to be. Curly and beautiful.
One apple a day.
One apple a day
Keeps the doctors away. I'm eating apples.
See you.
Bye.